I'm gonna say.
Oh, that one had pollen on.
Oh, did it?
If you look at the back legs of some of them, they'll be carrying pollen into the other bees, yeah?
Yeah.
And these are bigger colonies down here. Yeah, but
yeah.
You're seeing two sizes of bees here. Some are really big ones. Those are the drones that are flying today.
Oh, yeah.
There's a drone there. Oh, you just. That's honey on there. You can see all the honey, right? Yeah. And this is uncapped honey. That's not quite ripe yet. You actually have to take a lot more water out of that, and then once it's capped like that, that's what you can actually eat and jar up. Yeah. So that's all uncapped on that side. But those are all little worker bees. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Can I just
yeah,
just be careful of knocking that, don't knock it too much. Maybe better stood up somewhere else. I mean a bit more.
Yeah, just getting into
sweat's dripping off end of your nose.
I know, yeah, it's making me
These here are drones, the big ones. Those are male bees. They won't sting, they never have a sting on, all the others are workers. There's no queen yet, we haven't found the queen.
A bit like David Attenborough. These are the bees here. And wasps and stuff.
Like David Attenborough.
Yeah, well, the kind of videos I do, but different. That's the kind of videos I do, exploring and talking about. That's
good drone. That's all brood. That's a nice pattern as well.
Yeah.
That's what you should look for in a hive. And if there were going to be queen cells, they would be on the bottom, you see. And again, on that side, lots of nice brood, looking quite nicely. That one. Can't see the queen. The queen's not here though. You'd have to go right through the hive to.
Yeah.
So they're doing very well, I would say. Alright.
Yeah.
Take another one out. Yeah. I think she's gone back down to.
Oh, is it empty?
I keep thinking I'll put more bees in the. If I get another swarm or whatever, yeah. But these are different hives. These are Langstroth hives, and the others, the queen would start laying, but she's obviously gone back into the bottom box.
Yeah.
You know. Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
The queens in.
Yeah.
I sometimes make my own, so there's a mixture of all sorts. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, there's about 9 hives.
9 hives with bees in. There's a lot more hives, but some of them are empty. These two behind you are empty as well.
Is it okay if I film you as well?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah,
and put it on YouTube. This is Colin.
I've kept bees for many years. I've kept them since I was in my 20s.
Yeah.
And I even went to New Zealand keeping bees. And where you think there's quite a few bees here, in New Zealand we had 2,500 hives. So that was a big commercial business. And there we're actually after Manuka honey. We pollinated the orchards to begin with. Obviously it's southern hemisphere, so you have 3 months pollinating the orchard crops, the kiwis, the avocados, all the apples and everything, whatever there is in New Zealand, it will be pollinated. Then coming up to Christmas, we stripped them out of the orchards, put them in a big field. My job was to look for disease, make sure there were enough bees in the hive, make sure they were doing all right, and then we shipped them down country to the tea tree plant, which is what we got Manuka honey from. So that's what I did in New Zealand, and then I came back here, started a business with my daughter, Bee Beautiful, and then I just started keeping bees again. So I'm up to about 9 hives now. Oh, whether I get up to more, I'm not really sure. But okay?
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
Just give it a little bit of smoke. Push them all up now. Got a follower, I can see it.
Yeah.
You do this to stop.
Yeah.
It will actually put the flame out, yeah.
Yeah, it's trying to get me, isn't it?
Still got a follower, yeah. It'll leave you when